Yeah, now.
Alright. What's up? Zack Higgins. In the streets of Shaolin, motherfucking Staten Island. Stacking clips with the homies. Just want to film a little bike check, you know. Whatever. Come over here, fucker. Alright, straight up. Colt Dakota grips. Shout out to Rob Morales for these. We got the Death Row bars, 8.5 rise, 29 width. Colt Salvation stem. A couple spacers stacked underneath because that shit just feels better when it's high.
The fuck is that?
Yo, I'm gonna fuck you up, Tommy Wami. Alright, get over here. Alright, Colt Sect forks. Then we got D-Heart 225 in the front with a premium complete wheel because niggas can't afford custom shit right now. Alright, move on back. Alright, running the Colt Bad Boy V2. Had it since December. It's holding up pretty well. I mean, it's the first time it's seen street, so it's doing pretty good, I guess. Alright, premium shit seat, because that's all we ride in Jersey. The Animal Post. Profile cranks. Had these for 2 years. They're holding up damn well. Shout out to Profile Racing. Good shit right there. And we got Colt pedals. Nice and grippy. They're knurled, so it's whatever. And we got Animal bottom bracket. Colt member sprocket, 28 tooth. And then we got another D-Heart 210 in the back with a profile cassette laced to a Cinema 777 rim. And we got Primo hub guard with some old shitty pegs. That's basically it. Oh, and shout out to Robbie for the fucking tires too. Talk is cheap, motherfucker.